The SKIL Denali 20V circular saw is a versatile tool that is cross-compatible with all SKIL PWRCORE 20 tools, batteries, and chargers, making it a valuable addition to any toolset. Ideal for any DIYer, the cordless circular saw kit includes a 20V circular saw, a 4.0-hour battery, a 2.4-amp charger, a circular saw blade, an Allen key, and a dust extractor, ensuring you have everything you need for your projects. With a 6.5-inch 24T thin kerf carbide tipped blade and a no-load speed of 4,500 revolutions per minute, the saw provides fast, clean cuts. The saw boasts an adjustable cutting depth up to 2 1/8 inches deep and a bevel adjustment with a cut angle of 0 to 50 degrees, offering flexibility in your cuts. Additional features include a cut alignment notch for tracking lines and ensuring straight cuts, an electric brake and lock-off lever for safety, and LED lights for clear visibility of your cut line. Backed by the Power Tool 2-year battery and 5-year tool warranty, this product offers reliability and peace of mind with your purchase.